Question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of the elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. A, B, C, D. 20-meter high building and HV the height of the tower. Angle is 45 degree and 60 degree. BC is equal to H plus 20. Let H be the height of the tower height of building is equal to 20 meter. That is BD. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, BC divided by AB is equal to tangent 60 degree. In triangle ABC, angle is 60 degree and BC upon AB is equal to tangent 60 degree. BC is equal to, this implies BC is equal to H plus 20 divided by AB is equal to tangent 60 is root 3. Tangent 60 degree is equal to root 3, but we get AB is equal to AB multiplying right side and root 3 divides left side, that is H plus 20 upon root 3. It's equation number first. And in triangle ABD, BD upon AB is equal to tangent 45 degree. We know that tangent 45 degree is equal to 1. This implies BD is equal to 20 meter. Height of building is 20 meter. 20 upon AB is equal to tangent 45 is equal to 1. AB multiplied by 1, so we get AB is equal to 20. It's equation second. And we are putting the value of AB in equation first. And equation first is equal to equation second. We get AB is equal to 20. That is equal to H plus 20 divided by root 3. AB is equal to 20, put in equation first, or we can say that equation first equal to equation second. AB is 20, 20 is equal to H plus 20 upon root 3. Root 3 multiplied by 20, this implies 20 root 3 is equal to h plus 20, and we want to find the value of height of the tower shifting 20 left side, and h is equal to 20 root 3, and we are shifting left side in 20, that will be minus 20, and we are taking common 20 in this, we get h is equal to 20 is common and root 3 minus 1 in bracket meter. Answer. And height of the tower is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer. Let h be the height of the tower, and height of building is 20 meter. So total height CB is equal to h plus 20. And in triangle ABC, BC upon AB is equal to tangent 60 degree. Total height BC is equal to h plus 20. H plus 20 divided by AB is equal to tan 60. Tangent 60 degree is equal to root 3. And AB, we get the value of AB is equal to h plus 20 divides root 3. It's question number first. And we are taking another triangle, that is ABD. In triangle ABD, BD upon AB, that is equal to tangent 45 degree, and value of tan 45 degree is equal to 1. BD, that is height of building 20 meter. BD equal to 20 upon AB is equal to tan 45 degree is 1. This implies AB is equal to 20. And it's equation number second. From equation first and second, AB is equal to 20. First equal to second, 20 put in equation first. 20 is equal to h plus 20 upon root 3. Root 3 multiplying 20, that will be 20 root 3 equal to h plus 20. We want to find the value of h, or height of tower, shifting 20 left side, that will be negative 20, and 20 taking common, we get the value of h, height of tower, h equal to 20 is taking common, and in bracket root 3 minus 1. So height of tower equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer. Question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of the elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. A, B, C, D. Angle 45 degree and angle 60 degree. .6 meter. H. We want to find the height of the pedestal, that is BD. BD is equal to H, and total height BC is equal to h plus 1.6. Let h be the height of the pedestal. And according to question, in triangle ABC, CB upon AB is equal to tangent 60 degree, and tangent 60 degree equal to root 3. CB is equal to h plus 1.6. h plus 1.6 divided by AB is equal to tangent 60 is root 3. This implies AB is multiplying right side, root 3 divides left side. So AB is equal to h plus 1.6 divided by root 3. It's equation number first. And we are taking another triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, BD upon AB is equal to tangent 45 degree, and we know that tangent 45 degree is equal to 1, and BD is equal to h, that is height of the pedestal we want to find. This implies BD is h, AB is AB, and tangent 45 degree, that is equal to 1. AB multiplying right side, so we get AB is equal to h. It's equation number second. From first and second equation, first and second, we get AB putting this h is equal to h plus 1.6 divided by root 3. H is AB is equal to h, put in equation first, h equal to h plus 1.6 divided by root 3. Root 3 multiplying by h, left side. This implies root 3h is equal to h plus 1.6, and we are shifting h in left side. Root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. We are shifting h in left, and we are taking common in h left side. Root 3 minus 1 in bracket, and h is taking common. H is taking common, root 3 minus 1 in bracket equal to 1.6. H is equal to 1.6 divides root 3 minus 1. We are dividing by right side, left side multiplying root 3 minus 1, and right side divides root 3 minus 1, and rationalizing both sides, numerator and denominator, root 3 plus 1, opposite sign, opposite of denominator, that is root 3 plus 1. This implies h is equal to, as we know that a minus b, a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, and h is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 and root 3 square minus 1 square. A minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. This implies h is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 square. Square root is cancelled. 3 minus 1. So h is equal to 1.6 in bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 divides 1.6, that is 0.8. 8 2s are 16. This implies h is equal to 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. Answer. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to h plus 1.6, total height, that is h plus 1.6 meter, and in triangle let h be the height of the pedestal, and in triangle ABC, CB upon AB is tangent 60 degree, and tangent 60 degree equal to root 3. CB is equal to h plus 1.6 divided by AB is equal to root 3, and AB multiplying right side and root 3 divides left side. So we get AB is equal to h plus 1.6 divided by root 3. It's equation number first. And in another triangle ABD, DB upon AB is equal to tangent 45 degree, value of tangent 45 degree equal to 1, and BD is equal to h, that is height of pedestal, and h upon AB equal to tangent 45 degree, that is 1. H upon AB is equal to 1, AB multiplying right side, so we get AB is equal to h. It's equation number second. And from equation first and second, we get AB is equal to h. Put in equation first, h is equal to h plus 1.6 divided by root 3, and root 3 multiplying left side, we get root 3h equal to h plus 1.6, and we are shifting left side in h. We are shifting left side h and taking common h. In bracket we get root 3 minus 1, and h is taking common equal to 1.6. h equal to 1.6 divide root 3 minus 1, and we are rationalizing opposite sign in denominator, that is root 3 plus 1, multiplying and dividing both sides. We get in denominator a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square, and root 3 square, that is equal to 3, and 1 square is 1, 3 minus 1, that will be 2, and 1.6 divides 2, 0.8 times, and height of the pedestal we want to find, that is 0.8 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.